Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to clean out your Fieldpiece Analog Gauge Set's manifold block. For this process, you'll need a few things: some rubbing alcohol, a dropper or small funnel, 3/4 inch brass caps, and 1/3/8 brass cap if you're working with a 4-port manifold. All right, let's get started. First, open up all the valves on your manifold block. For a 3-port manifold, go ahead and cap the 2 outside ports and leave the center port open. If you've got a 4-port manifold, cap all the 1/4 inch ports and leave the 3/8 port open. Once that's done, take your dropper and add about 7 milliliters of rubbing alcohol into the open port. Then cap it off and give your manifold a good shake. Anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds should do the trick. After that, remove the caps, pour out the alcohol, and let the block air dry overnight. If you want to speed things up, you can hook it to a vacuum pump and pull it down to around 500 microns for about a minute. That'll help burn off any leftover alcohol. And that's it. You've just cleaned your analog manifold block. Doing this kind of maintenance regularly helps keep your tools working smoothly and make sure you're getting accurate readings every time you use them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take care of your gear. It'll take care of you in return.